How to delete your Facebook account. This tutorial shows you the full process, including the review step Facebook adds right before you're done. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right to open your profile. After that, tap the three lines at the top left, then tap Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap Account Center. Following this, tap Manage Accounts. From here, tap Manage next to Facebook. At this stage, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Following this, select the Facebook account you want to deactivate or delete. From here, you'll see two options. Choose Delete, since this is the one that completely wipes everything rather than just deactivating. At this stage, tap Continue. Following this, the next page will let you know any pages you manage will also be deleted along with your account. Tap Continue to proceed. From here, select a reason for deleting your account. At this stage, tap Continue. Following this, keep tapping Continue through the following screens, where you'll also get the option to review your information and export anything you want to keep before deletion. From here, once you're ready, tap Continue one more time. At this stage, enter your password on the final page to confirm. Once submitted, you still have 30 days to change your mind. Simply log back in during that window to cancel the deletion and restore your account as normal. That's how you delete your Facebook account. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.